We start with the final boss question. There are brackets, powers, a square root, a fraction, and a subtraction at the end. It looks like a lot right now. By the end, you will know what to check first, what to check next, and how to keep the order under control. Leave that question there for now. We will come back to it later. First, here is the problem. 5 times 3 plus 9. This looks simple, but it can give two different answers if people choose different orders. One person adds first. 3 plus 9 gives 12. Then 5 times 12 gives 60. Another person multiplies first. 5 times 3 gives 15. Then 15 plus 9 gives 24. Same question, two different answers. That is the issue. Which answer should be accepted? Option A gives 60. Now compare that with option B. Option B gives 24. Without an agreed order, people can do the same question in different ways. That is why we use BIDMAS. BIDMAS gives everyone the same order to follow. Now let us do the simple question properly. First, check brackets. There are no brackets. Next, check indices. There are no indices. Next, check division. There is no division. Now multiplication. 5 times 3 is the part to do. 5 times 3 equals 15. So now we have 15 plus 9. Next comes addition. 15 plus 9 equals 24. There is no subtraction, so the agreed answer is 24. Now let us set up BIDMAS. BIDMAS means brackets, indices, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. You might see the same idea written with other names. In this lesson, we are using BIDMAS. The important part is the order. Division and multiplication are on the same level. If both appear, work from left to right. Addition and subtraction are also on the same level. If both appear, work from left to right. So check each operation properly. Now the first example, 7 times 8 plus 6. Start with brackets. There are no brackets. Check indices. There are no indices. Check division. There is no division. Now multiplication. 7 times 8 comes before adding 6. 7 rows with 8 in each row gives 56. So the expression becomes 56 plus 6. Now addition. 56 plus 6 equals 62. There is no subtraction, so the answer is 62. Now brackets. 4 times 3 plus 6 in brackets. Then subtract 7. Brackets come first. Inside the bracket, 3 plus 6 equals 9. So the bracket becomes 9. 4 next to that bracket means 4 times 9. 4 times 9 equals 36. Now we have 36 minus 7. There is no addition left, so subtract. 36 minus 7 equals 29. The answer is 29. The main point is simple. Do the bracket first. Now indices. 3 squared plus 2. A common mistake is to think 3 squared means 3 times 2. It does not. 3 squared means 3 times 3. So we check brackets first. There are no brackets. Now indices. 3 squared is the part to deal with. 3 across and 3 up makes a 3 by 3 square. 3 times 3 equals 9. So 3 squared becomes 9. Now we have 9 plus 2. There is no division. There is no multiplication sign left. Now addition. 9 plus 2 equals 11. There is no subtraction, so the answer is 11. Squared means you are making a square. Now square roots. The square root groups what is underneath it, so start with the part inside the root. 25 plus 11 equals 36. Now we are asking for the square root of 36. A square root asks for the side length of a square. 36 makes a 6 by 6 square, so the square root of 36 is 6. There is no division. There is no multiplication. There is no addition left. There is no subtraction. So the answer is 6. Now a fraction. The top is 5 cubed plus 24. The bottom is 100 plus 49. The fraction bar groups the top and the bottom. Start with the bottom. 100 plus 49 equals 149. Now check indices. 5 cubed is the part we need. 5 cubed does not mean 5 times 3. That is not correct. 5 cubed means 5 times 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 layers of 25 gives 125. So 5 cubed equals 125. Now the top becomes 125 plus 24. That gives 149. So the fraction is 149 over 149. A fraction means division. 149 divided by 149 equals 1. There is no subtraction, so the answer is 1. Now the questions start getting longer. From here, we do not need to read every symbol, we just follow the part BIDMAS tells us to do. In this one, there is a small bracket first. 2 plus 1 equals 3. There are no indices. Now we have division and multiplication. They are on the same level, so go left to right. The first operation from the left is 48 divided by 4. Think of 48 counters split equally into 4 containers. Each container gets 12. So 48 divided by 4 equals 12. Now multiply. 12 times 3 equals 36. Now subtract. 36 minus 5 equals 31. So the answer is 31. Division and multiplication are tied. So work left to right. Now, a fraction question. The top of the fraction has to be simplified before it is divided. Starts with the power. 2 cubed means 2 times 2 times 2. That equals 8. So the top becomes 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8 equals 14. Now, the fraction gives 14 divided by 2. 14 divided by 2 equals 7. Next, multiplication comes before the final addition and subtraction. 5 times 4 equals 20. Now we have 7 plus 20 minus 1. Work left to right. 7 plus 20 equals 27. Then 27 minus 1 equals 26. So the answer is 26. Now nested brackets. This means there is a bracket inside another bracket. Start inside first. The inner part is 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Now the inner bracket has become 4. Next comes the power. 4 squared means 4 times 4. 4 squared equals 16. Now the outer bracket still needs finishing. Inside that outer bracket, 5 plus 16 equals 21. So the bracket becomes 21. Now multiply. 2 times 21 equals 42. There is no addition left. Now subtract. 42 minus 7 equals 35. So the answer is 35. With nested brackets, go inside first, then outside. Now the checkpoint question. Do not try to do everything at once. Just scan it. There is a bracket, a square root, a power, a fraction, multiplication, and subtraction. Start with the bracket. 10 minus 6 equals 4. Now deal with the root and the power. The square root of 81 is 9. 3 squared is also 9. So the top of the fraction becomes 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9 equals 18. Now the fraction gives 18 divided by 2. 18 divided by 2 equals 9. Then multiply by 4. 9 times 4 equals 36. Now subtract 5. 36 minus 5 equals 31. So the answer is 31. Longer questions are just smaller steps, done in the right order. Now the final boss is back. You saw this at the start. Use BIDMAS. Pause the video and try it first. 3, 2, 1. Now let us solve it. Start with the inner bracket. 8 minus 5 equals 3. Now deal with the powers and the root. The first 3 squared equals 9. The second 3 squared also equals 9. The square root of 64 equals 8. Now the square bracket still needs finishing. Inside it, 9 plus 9 equals 18. Now multiply. 2 times 18 equals 36. Next, add the 8. 36 plus 8 equals 44. Now divide by 4. 44 divided by 4 equals 11. Now the final subtraction. 11 minus 3 equals 8. So the final answer is 8. BIDMAS complete. Now 2 questions for you. Question 1. 6 plus 4 times 3 squared. Pause the video now. The answer is 42. Question 2. 12 plus 3 squared on the top, over 3, then plus 5 times 2. Pause the video now. The answer is 17.